Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side button. After just click and hold power button, so you will see restart from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so clean clock app cache. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search clock from here. You will say clock is here. Click on clock and click on storage usage. And if you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on again settings app. Scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.